did we ever get him in there in the first place? I don't know who voted for him. It certainly wasn't me. I certainly didn't vote for him.
Do you hate Obama?
Uh-huh.
Do you hate Obama?
Yes, I can't stand the little weasel. You ever see him when he comes off of Air Force One? The way he trips down those steps. I just keep hoping, God, I hope you get tangled up and fly all the way down to the bottom and roll to the bottom. Break your damn fool neck. Woo. Oh. But then Biden, he's nuts. He's a loose cannon, so I guess we'd be worse off having him, though. So. Oh.
What do you hate most about Obama?
What?
What do you hate mostly about Obama?
What do I
hate?
Hate everything. I mean, he's putting our country. We're going to turn us into a communist nation. His damn health care reform and buying out all these damn banks and all these damn motor companies. He bought Chrysler and General Motors and now he wants to start another stimulus package. He wants to go put in a whole bunch of more $1 billion and all these green things that he puts up. He starts these places to make this, what's that stuff that you put on your roof,
Insulation?
Insulation? No, to generate electricity, the solar panels. He has started a couple of those, and they both went broke.
The solar?
And they're sitting there, and nobody, and we paid for the damn things, and it didn't work. In fact, one of them I think is here in California. It didn't work, and now they just closed the doors.
It didn't work?
No, because there wasn't enough demand for the damn solar panels.